Why are some cities spending millions of dollars to make their streetlights look darker? That sounds completely backwards. For more than 100 years, brighter streetlights were considered progress. More light meant better visibility, safer roads, and safer neighborhoods. Yet today, many cities are replacing older streetlights with fixtures that often appear less bright than the ones they removed. Some residents even complain that the new lights seem dimmer. The surprising part is that engineers often consider that a success. Because the goal is no longer to produce the most light, the goal is to put light exactly where it is needed. For decades, enormous amounts of streetlight were being wasted. Roads and sidewalks were illuminated, but light also spilled into bedroom windows, neighboring yards, and straight into the night sky. From miles away, entire cities developed a glowing halo above them. This phenomenon is known as light pollution, and it affects far more than our view of the stars. Astronomers lose the ability to see faint objects in the night sky. Migrating birds can become disoriented by artificial lighting. Insects gather around lights instead of performing their normal nighttime activities. Even people can be affected when bright outdoor lighting enters homes and disrupts sleep. For years, the solution seemed obvious. If an area looked too dark, install brighter bulbs. Yet engineers eventually realized that brightness was not the real problem. Direction was. But if brighter lights aren't the answer, why do some of the newest streetlights actually make roads easier to see at night? The answer begins with a simple idea. Stop lighting things that do not need to be lit. Many older streetlights sent a surprising amount of light sideways and upward. That light consumed electricity, created glare, and illuminated areas that provided little benefit to drivers or pedestrians. Modern streetlights increasingly use what are called fully shielded fixtures. These fixtures are designed to block upward light and direct nearly all of it toward the ground. Instead of lighting the sky, the light is focused onto roads, sidewalks, crosswalks, and intersections. Imagine using a garden hose to water a flower bed. If half the water sprays over the fence, much of it is wasted. Streetlight engineers face the same challenge with light. Once they learned how to control where the light went, they discovered they could often improve visibility while using less energy. The optics inside modern streetlights are also much more advanced than most people realize. Specially designed lenses shape the light into precise patterns. Rather than creating one large bright glow, the fixture can direct light exactly where it is needed. This creates another benefit: less glare. Many people assume brighter lights automatically make it easier to see. In reality, an excessively bright light can force your eyes to constantly adjust, making surrounding areas appear darker by comparison. A well-designed streetlight often feels less harsh while still improving visibility. Color also matters. When LED streetlights first became common, many cities installed cool white LEDs with a bluish appearance. These lights were efficient, but blue-rich light scatters more easily through the atmosphere. That scattering contributes to the glow that hangs above many cities at night. Today, many communities are choosing warmer LEDs that produce a softer light. These fixtures can reduce sky glow while still delivering the energy savings that made LEDs popular in the first place. Streetlights are becoming smarter as well. Some systems automatically dim during periods of low traffic. Others can be adjusted remotely without sending maintenance crews into the field. Instead of operating at full brightness all night, the lighting can better match actual conditions. The goal is not to make cities darker. The goal is to make lighting more precise. If you like learning how everyday things really work, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.